my name is Chef Himoy Di Baron and I'm here because we're gonna party. We're gonna have some celebration trays. Our first celebration platter is a showstopper paella. It combines rice, beefy flavor, and we're gonna top it off with roasted bone marrow. We're gonna do two types of fish and chips. One is air-fried, butter-crumbled, na sure healthy pero crunchy pa rin. And the other one is the traditional beer-battered fish and chips. We're gonna double fry the French fries so it's nice and crispy. And then we're gonna pair it with a nice Greek slaw. It's my extra special Pollo Ala Brasa. It's one of my favorite roasted chicken. It's a Latin chicken, Peruvian, and we're gonna serve it with two kinds of sauces, Chimichurri and a Peri-Peri Sauce, and a salsa called Salsa Creole. So join me, mag-party tayo, and have celebration trays only here at the Bailiwick Academy.